For manufacturers who strive to take their shop floor to the next level, Vericut's CNC Machine Monitoring Module streams live data from CNC machines in real time, allowing the state and actions of a machine to be visualized as the machine is running. CNC Machine Monitoring answers questions manufacturers may have about how their machine is running by seeing a visual representation inside a Vericut simulation. This is beneficial when needed machine expertise is off-site at another location, or just to view what's happening inside the machine at certain times during the CNC program without coolant or other machine components in the way. CNC machine monitoring adds the ability to witness the real-time performance of machines on the shop floor, including details on active tools and work offsets, while gaining visibility into the specific NC program or subroutines in operation, and much more, giving insight that other manufacturers would be operating without. Every manufacturer wishes they could turn back time to prevent something unexpected from occurring. With the Postcheck function inside CNC Machine Connect, users have the next best option with the ability to digitally replay the entire operation or specific events, giving a holistic approach to simulation and verification that can utilize real-time as well as historical data. Even with the best efforts and processes, such as pre-check in place, at times, something still may not go as expected during a part run. Maybe an alarm on a machine or a setting was changed, or possibly the CNC program could have been modified. The post-check process will allow you to use Vericut to see key events that may be of interest. For example, times when a tool or override was changed, the CNC came out of automatic mode or stops due to M1s. These events can be selected, and the production can be played back in Vericut as if it were running in real time, allowing you to see exactly what took place. The CNC machine monitoring and post-check features in Vericut cater toward manufacturers in pursuit of the best digital twin possible. Ask your local Vericut resource about this tremendous industry integration today.